From formulating her own skincare products to hosting spa teas, it's the story of Jojo Bean Bath and Body Care. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of The Business Review.
My family suffers from eczema. My son and I, we also suffer from psoriasis, which is a mild form of psoriasis. And there isn't a lot of things that you can use on breakouts like that. It's an inflammation of the skin.
Compelled to find a solution for the problem, Melissa Marshall Nelson created Jojo Bean's Bath and Body Care, a name she coined using the nicknames of her children.
Of course, it started off naturally with a body butter. Trying to find something that does not sit on the skin, but that actually helps to lock in the moisture in the skin to keep the skin feeling moisturized. So there are a lot of research went into this. I had to pull a lot on my background from cosmetology, understanding the skin.
The business that started with just 5,000 Jamaican dollars now has over 20 different products catering to different skin types.
We have a full facial skincare routine, that's 6 steps, and we have body scrubs, body butter, and body oils for the body. We also do have a shower gel.
But the innovation didn't stop there. Mrs. Marshall Nelson said she saw a need for a skincare community, so she's since introduced a new arm into the business. A soft life sparty.
It's like a sip and paint. It's like a candle making experience where you just gather with your loved ones or you just gather with new persons to network, but you're in an atmosphere that speaks to wellness, that speaks to tranquility.
Having sold over 1 million products through her online sales, Jojo Beans has grown significantly. But the skincare lover says the journey hasn't been without bumps.
Starting without any capital, really. My 9 to 5 is what boosted, which is what basically covered the expenses for me to start off in the business. I started off just like most persons in the skincare business. They just bought what was available to them, and you kind of follow the hype to say, oh, use this ingredient. But then after deep diving and realizing that I don't want to be ordinary on the market, I want my products to be in line with products like a Cetaphil or a CeraVe. That's when I decided that, hey, I need to dig a little deeper. And that's really and truly where the headache came in.
As she continues to face the challenges head on and the path becomes clearer, she's looking for even greater growth and expansion.
When I think about Jojo Bean, I think about family. So we do intend to grow our products line so that we can have stuff for even newborn babies to the oldest of persons. We're thinking about doing hair care products as well somewhere down the line. We just want to be that all over brand that is in everybody's household.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.